Meet John. John is the owner of a growing business, but with the growth of his company there are also lots of new responsibilities. Poor John can't keep up with every task and deadlines using just spreadsheets, documents and all the outdated tools. What's a CEO to do? Simple. Use Jayblues ERP. Jayblues ERP is an enterprise resource planning software that can help John manage his business and grow with. Just this one tool he can rapidly increase productivity and efficiency while getting an enhanced overview of key company data. The project module helps John manage projects with ease. The sales module gives him an overall view of opportunities and deals with financials. He gets total visibility into the company's transactions. The HR module allows him to dig deep into hiring and onboarding processes and manage employee data. The operations module allows John to manage company processes and repetitive tasks easily. And the company culture module helps overall view of opportunities and deals with feedback, and that's just the tip of the iceberg. Jayblues ERP has many more modules and features. With Jayblues ERP's enhanced security, all important data is stored in one highly secured place. And of course there's no need to give up any of his current tools. Jayblues can be integrated with almost any software. John knows what to do. Now it's your turn. Organize your business processes with Jayblues ERP.